that kind of helps to release it and get you into a starting point. But reaching underneath it, if you grab it from the side, you're going to get sticky.
Yeah.
So you're really trying to get underneath it that way. So yeah, and you can fold it on all 4 sides and then flop it over, or you can fold it on 3 sides and then roll it over on the other side. Yep. And then I'm basically just making a pizza ball, and as soon as you get a blister, you know you have enough surface tension to stop. So in the beginning, you get this big belly button, and then you tighten it up, and you're folding 1/3 into the middle. And you can learn to do it without flipping it. I didn't.
Yeah.
And I'm pushing it down. And so now I've got that. Now this becomes the actual middle, where I'm kind of pushing my thumb to push that seam inside. And then I use my heel of my palm to seal it. And so once I get this shape, then my seam becomes the bottom, and you're trying to keep the hand the same distance. On a baguette, they kind of overlap like that, and it doesn't want fear. So quick, really, a light one, it will spread a little bit, kind of like when you're doing the perpendicular, and so if you're trying to get a rise out of it, you need to get into that interior. So you're going to want to be in there like me. You can see when it comes out, like how well you did is, look at all the long strands. That's, so when you're folding it and when you're developing those balloons, they're getting longer and they're getting more complex, and so they're stretching over each other.